If you're new to Forex trading, one of the most crucial skills is plotting the right support and resistance. But let's be honest, sometimes the charts can look really confusing. I want to share with you a helpful indicator that can automatically identify support and resistance across multiple time frames. Here's how. Go to TradingView. At the top, click on Indicators, then type Support and Resistance. You'll see several formats available. To preview each, just click the Notes section. From there, select the one that suits your style best. Once you've chosen your indicator, open Settings to customize it according to your preference. Personally, I like keeping my charts clean and still practice reading them manually. But this tool works as a silent, neutral, and professional aid. It helps make sense of complex moves, whether the market is forming higher highs and lower highs, or starting to shift into lower lows and higher lows. This way, you can decide your bias and plan your entry with more confidence.